Today, we will talk about the Form 1040 Easy Tax Return for single and joint filers. The subject is the transition away from Form 1040 Easy and why it is no longer used. IRS Form 1040 Easy, Income Tax Return for Single and Joint Filers with No Dependents was the shortened version of the Internal Revenue Service Form 1040. This form was for taxpayers with basic tax situations and offered a fast and easy way to file income taxes. To use the form, a taxpayer had to have taxable income of less than $100,000, less than $1,500 of interest income, and claim no dependents. For most individuals, the 1040 Easy was the first tax form they ever completed. Consider a typical high school student employed part-time. Provided they met the income qualifications, the 1040 Easy will likely be the most straightforward and appropriate form to file. Form 1040 Easy was ultimately scrapped due to the limitations of the form. The form could only be used by those below a certain amount of income and types of income. Anyone who had income from sources other than wages, salaries, tips, taxable scholarships, or fellowship grants could not use Form 1040 Easy. Because of the simplistic nature of Form 1040 Easy, taxpayers were not allowed to itemize their deductions, nor were they able to take other types of deductions such as student loan interest deduction or deductions for IRA contributions. Form 1040 Easy had only a few credits or deductions available to taxpayers. Filers were able to include an earned income credit and elect non-taxable combat pay. For most tax years, Form 1040 had 80% more lines than Form 1040 Easy. Form 1040 allowed the entry of Social Security benefits, alimony, and other forms of income. This form also had a long list of deductions, ranging from education costs to healthcare savings plan contributions. Starting in 2018, the IRS replaced Forms 1040A and 1040 Easy with a redesigned Form 1040. This new Form 1040 included 6 new numbered schedules in addition to existing ones like Schedule A. No. The IRS no longer publishes Form 1040 Easy, although it can still be used for tax years 2017 and earlier. Form 1040 Easy was used for taxpayers who fell into very basic income categories. For most years that 1040 Easy was published, it could only be used by taxpayers below age 65, with no dependents and very little interest income. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. Form 1040 Easy was a shortened version of Form 1040 for taxpayers with basic tax situations. 2. The form was discontinued as of the 2018 tax year and replaced with the redesigned Form 1040. 3. Form 1040 Easy could only be used by people below age 65 with no dependents earning less than $100,000 per year. 4. 1040 Easy was about 1/5 as long as the full 1040 form, with fewer deductions and tax credits. 5. Anyone who hasn't filed taxes for 2017 or earlier can still use the 1040 Easy form for that year. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.